The biggest Surfshark deal of the year is here, the Black Friday 2025 mega offer. Right now, you can grab Surfshark VPN for just $1.99 a month, and they're even adding 3 extra months free. That's the lowest price Surfshark has ever offered, but only till December 1st. To claim it, click the link at the top of the description or scan the QR code on your screen. The coupon is auto-applied. Welcome to Offers Collection, where I share verified VPN and hosting deals that actually save you money, updated daily. So, why Surfshark? Because it's one of the best VPNs in 2025, lightning fast, secure, and easy to use. It hides your real IP, blocks ads and malware with CleanWeb, and works perfectly for streaming Netflix or YouTube from anywhere. Plus, Surfshark uses RAM-only servers, WireGuard, and a strict no-logs policy, so your privacy stays protected 24/7. This year's Surfshark Black Friday bundles are unbeatable. Surfshark VPN plus Adblock, only $1.99 per month, plus 3 months free. Surfshark One includes VPN, Antivirus, Search, Alert, and Alternative ID for $2.19 per month. Surfshark One Plus adds Incogni to remove your personal data online, only $4.19 per month. Every plan comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you can try it risk-free. This offer vanishes after December 1st. Once it's gone, regular prices return. So don't miss out on Surfshark's biggest Black Friday deal ever. Click the link in the top of the description or scan the QR code to activate your discount and get 2 years of Surfshark VPN for under $2 a month.